Hello students, this is Uma Vidushi, your English teacher, and welcome back once again in my English grammar class. Today we are going to learn about articles, which includes a, an, and the. You will come to know some basic facts about articles. So without further ado, let's begin today's class. Viewers, as I said that articles include a, an, and the. So let's come to know about what are articles. So a, an, and the are called articles, where a and an are called indefinite articles and the is called definite articles. The is used to refer specific or particular nouns. A or an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. You can say that a or an is called indefinite articles because they do not refer to any specific person or thing. The article the is called a definite article because it refers to a specific person or a particular person or things. Let us learn more about them. We use a, an, or the before nouns that we want to introduce. And what is noun? Nouns are names of person, place, animals or things, like a place, a person, a thing. Alright, where do we use a? So a is used before beginning with a consonant sound, like a boy, a bird. You can see here some consonant letters are there. For example, B, C, D, J, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These all are consonant sounds word. So A is used before a word which begins with consonant sound. Then it also used before a singular noun like a book, a school, a dog. Then even before vowel letters which do not have vowel sound, like a European, a unit, a union. So these all words like European, unit, union, these words have not vowel sound. Some words start with a vowel letter but begins with consonant sound. So we use a before these words too. Like for example, a university, as you can see here that this word has started with a vowel sound word, but it doesn't sound vowel. So that's why here you will use a uniform, a 1 rupee note. So here in all these cases you will use a. We use a before word that begins with a consonant like a girl, a clock, a lamp. So girl which is started with the letter G which is consonant letter, clock, C, it starts with C which is also a consonant sound word, and a lamp. Now let's do one exercise. This will help you to know that where you have to use a. Like she wears dash uniform on Wednesday. So what you will fill here? So what you will fill here? A or an? Yes, you are right. You will fill here A. She wears a uniform on Wednesday. He gave me dash 1 rupee coin. So 1 as it is started with vowel, but still it sounds consonant. So here again you will fill a 1 rupee coin. Sona made dash universal appeal. So universal, as you can hear it, its pronunciation sounds consonant. So again here a universal appeal. India is dash developing country. So developing, the word started with the letter D, which is already a consonant. So here you will add a. So India is a developing country. He is dash boy. Yes, that's very easy. He is a boy. So this is how we come to know that where we use a in a sentence or with which types of word. Now let's know where an is used. So an is used before a word beginning with a vowel, like an idiot, an apple. Before a word begin with H but not sounded, like for example an honor, an hour, an honest man. So here, as you can see in all these three words, these words started with or begins with H, but it is not sounding H. So that's why here in all these three words we have started with the article an. We use an before words that begins with vowel sound, and there are basically 5 vowel sound words: A, E, I, O and U. An orange, an umbrella, an eye, right? So I hope that's very easy, students, to understand where to use a and where to use an. Now let's do one exercise. Dash honest man is always respected. Yes, you are right. An honest man is always respected. Rahul is dash engineer by profession. So Rahul is an engineer by profession. I bought HMT watch. So as the word started with H, but it is not sounding consonant. So again here you will write an HMT watch. Mala is MA in English. So MA, as it is not again sounding as consonant, it is sounding vowel. So here you will write an MA in English. My brother is an advocate. So I hope, students, you have understood what are articles and how we use or where we use a or an. Now let's see where to use the. So the is used before unique objects, means something which is very particular, and thus the is also called definite articles. Before unique objects like the sun, the sky, the moon. Before the name of mountains, rivers, oceans, deserts, etc. like the Gangas, the Sahara, the Pacific. Okay, so these all are the names of some deserts and river and ocean. Now it is also used before the name of books, some important books, some holy books like the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran. Okay. Now see some more uses of the. So the is used before the superlative degree like the best, the tallest, the heaviest. The is also used before musical instruments like the flute, the violin. And the is also used before an adjective to denote a whole class. For example, the old, the rich, the poor, the needy. Alright, now let's have a look on some more uses of the. The is also used before ordinal numbers like the first, the ninth, the second. The is used before proper names which are plural of peoples, means some nation or nationality or religion you can say. like the French, the Indians. Then the is also used before abbreviations, okay, or the names or with those countries that have words republic, kingdom or states in them, like the United Nation, the United States of America, International Monetary Fund. Okay, so this is how we use the. I hope students you have understood that where to use definite article the. Now we use the when we know that there is only one of a particular thing, like the sky, the world, the North Pole. Now let's do one exercise where you have to insert articles, okay, wherever necessary, and then you have to rewrite these sentences in your notebook. The first sentence is Ganga is scared river in India. So as you can see here that the name of the river is given, so you have to mention the. So the Ganga is scared river in India. We must help poor and needy. Now in this sentence, as you can see that it is talking about the plural persons and it's about whole group or whole class. So we must help the poor and the people, the needy. Now students, I will read these sentences for you and I hope you can do it first by yourself and then you can match the answer in this video. I have given the answer in the end of the video. Sun melts ice caps. Train arrived hour late yesterday. I have booked room for you in hotel you like to stay at. Tenzing Norgay and Idum Hillary were first to reach Mount Everest. Rahane hit winning run and won Man of Match award. Lotus Temple is beautiful example of architecture. Delayed flight from Mumbai will reach in morning. Last but not the least, please give me 1 rupee coin. So I hope you all are ready with the answers. Now let's match it. Now let's match the answers, students. The Ganga is scared river in India. We must help the poor and the needy. The sun melts ice caps. The train arrived an hour late yesterday. I have booked a room for you in the hotel you like to stay at. Tenzing Norgay and Idum Hillary were the first to reach the Mount Everest. Rahane hit the winning run and won the Man of Match award. Lotus Temple is a beautiful example of architecture. The delayed flight from Mumbai will reach in the morning. Please give me a 1 rupee coin. So I hope students you have understood some basic facts about articles a and the. In the next class, I will teach you about the omission of articles, which is something very important part of this topic. So thank you so much for staying with me till the end of this video. Bye bye. Take care.